So we just got back.
I feel violated.
Yeah, I actually feel quite violated too.
So, you see Mr. Parrot there
Mr. Parrot.
has been moved. There's a camera there, the white thing.
Yes, it is.
And notice that it's facing the wall.
Yeah.
It wasn't facing the wall.
While we were out.
And they moved the camera to face the wall.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not going to say anything because I probably think it's because we walk around butt naked because it's hot.
It's very hot, and
So-
since all the windows and curtains are closed, we're like, well, we can walk around in our birthday suits because no one's watching us. But apparently, they were tired of watching us.
They changed the channel.
Got a towel,
So I go like this.
and that soaks up the sweat.
It's disgusting.
One
Still
thing,
walking.
we're still walking, but the one thing that I do find kind of weird is the fact that you can just like go into a casket shop, you know, on the side of a main road.
Well, what do we have here?
And buy a casket.
Which one should we pick?
I don't know. Do you find that weird?
Or maybe it's, I'm sure in South Africa, in Joburg CBD, you might be able to. I've just
Dunno.
never really been there because I wouldn't go there.
True. I do find this kind of reminiscent of South Africa and the fact that
What is
everyone
going on back
shoots,
there?
Looks like a
the
total
taxis
mess.
hoot to the buses that everyone uses. Got a Dairy Queen and a KFC. This is our gym. Well, technically, it's up there.
It's a bit heart rate.
Let's go. We've got one cheap meal left in Panama, and we have been going to get pizzas. A 12-inch pizza for $4 with one ingredient. Or you can get 3 14-inch pizzas for
$16.50.
$16.50, and that's
Three ingredients.
3 ingredients. So I was like, what works out better? If we got 4 12-inch pizzas, okay, which would be $16, or 3 14-inch pizzas with
Look at us, we're
for
huge.
$16.50. So we actually get more surface area, i.e. more pizza, with 3 14-inch pizzas than 4 12-inch pizzas. Because I thought there would be more pizza on 4 12-inch pizzas. I thought we would.
Yeah, but so technically, if they really want to know, it's because you're working on a circle, so you got to use pi.
Life-changing information.
This is the
So
best
we'll get
pizza
our
ever.
last pizza
For sure.
for
Absolutely
Chitre
delicious.
today, because today is our last Saturday in Chitre. And then on to Panama City next week, Wednesday.
Yes, apparently it looks amazing.
I am not looking forward to that bus ride.
No.
No.